Welcome dear student. In this video lecture we discuss about the fertilization process and types of fertilization in different individuals. First we discuss about the fertilization. The fusions of the male gamete and female gamete and form the result zygote is known as fertilization. The gametes are haploid in nature and the zygote is diploid in nature. It can also be defined as the union of the paternal origin sperm nucleus to the maternal origin ovum nucleus to form a primary nucleus of embryo is known as fertilization. It can be defined various definitions. Now we discuss the types of fertilization. The fertilization process is divided on the different bases, and the first basis of division is place of nature and medium for movement of sperm. On the basis of fluid medium movement for sperms, the fertilization divided into two parts: external fertilization and internal fertilization. The external fertilization, the gametes are fused outside the body of parents, are known as external fertilization, whereas the gametes are fused inside the body of females are known as internal fertilization. In external fertilization, the external mediums are liquid medium. It may be marine or fresh water, and the organisms they show external fertilizations are echinoderms, nereis, and frogs. And the internal fertilizations are occurs in the female genital tract, and the males ejaculate their sperms by their copulatory organs. It may be penis in humans and hemipenis in lizard and claspers in case of fishes. And the example of animals which show internal fertilizations are reptiles, birds, and mammals. And the second basis of fertilization division is basis of source of gamete. If the fusing gametes are derived from the same parents are known as endogamy, and they individuals show self fertilization, and they individuals are usually uniparental. And the example of individual which show endogamy are fasciola and tania. And the second type of exogamy or cross fertilization. In exogamy or cross fertilization, the fusing gametes are derived from the different parents, means the individuals are usually biparental. The example of exogamy are humans. Now it is the fertilization divided into two types: internal fertilization and external fertilization. In external fertilization, the females lay their eggs in the outside the medium in waters, and the male produce their gametes in the water. These both gametes are fused to form a zygote outside the body part, external medium in water, known as external fertilization. Whereas second, in internal fertilization, the male individuals, animals, ejaculate their sperms by their ejaculatory and copulatory organs to female genital tract. In the internal fertilization, individuals may be oviparous, ovoviviparous, and viviparous. In the viviparous condition, the animals gave birth. The young animals are known as viviparous. The best example of viviparous humans are viviparous: cheetah, lions, elephant, deer, cow, buffalo. They all are viviparous. They produce young ones. And the viviparous are those animals which produce egg are known as oviparous. And the oviparous examples are birds, reptiles, snakes are oviparous, and the third class of internal fertilization animals are ovoviviparous. They produce egg, but the modification of these egg consume their nutrients with their mothers by their placenta are known as ovoviviparous, and the example of ovoviviparous are whale, and different fishes are ovoviviparous. And some animals are exogamy, endogamy, and but there are some specific regions they are so cross fertilization, and these modification and specific conditions are proto androus conditions. In pro means earlier, and androus means male gamete. In proto androus conditions, the testes mature earlier than the ovaries. These conditions are known as proto-androus condition. Due to proto-androus conditions, the male gametes are formed earlier, and female gametes formed later. So these individuals show cross fertilization. The example of proto-androus conditions are present in leech and earthworm. And the second type is protogynous. In pro means earlier, and gynous means female organs, and the ovaries are mature earlier than the testes. These conditions are present in porifera, example cycle. And the third basis of division of fertilization is nature of the fusing gamete. If the fusing gametes are morphological and physiological similars, are known as isogamy, and the isogametes are present in monocystus. And the other types of anisogamy, the fusing gametes are morphological and physiological different, and the anisogamy condition are present in frog and humans individuals. And these are the diagrams of the anisogamy, and these diagrams show the isogamy. The example of anisogamy is human gametes. The human female gametes ovum are usually large in size and spherical in shape and larger, and in compare the male gamete sperms are cylindrical in shape and short. They are morphological and physiological difference, and these condition known as heterogamies. And other example in the plant, the fucus, the alga, the male gamete are smaller and female gametes are larger. They are physiological and morphological different, and this condition is called anisogamy. And isogamy condition is present in monocystis, and in plant in cladophora algae. So morphological and physiological similarity in their gametes and known as isogamy. And the next basis of classify fertilization is number of gametes enter in the ovum. If only one sperms enter and fuse the ovum, are known as monospermy. In mono means one, and spermy means sperm. If only one sperms are fertilized, the egg at this condition is known as monospermy, and the monospermy conditions are present in most of animals. And the second type of polyspermy indicates poly means many. If more than one gamete, male gametes are enter in the ovum, is known as polyspermy. The polyspermy could be two types, is pathological polyspermy and physiological polyspermy. In pathological polyspermy, due to over-ripening of the egg, multiple sperms are enters in the egg and fuse with the ovum egg, and this condition is known as pathological polyspermy. And the second condition is physiological polyspermy. In physiological polyspermy, the male gamete, more than one male gametes are enter in the ovum, but only one sperm nucleus is fertilized with the egg, and rest of gametes of sperm and nucleus are degenerated before the initiation of the cleavage. This condition is known as physiological polyspermy, and the physiological polyspermy is present in insects, birds, etc. Thank you.